Hey guys, this is Paul from MobileTrans, and today we are going to unbox the Galaxy Z Fold 2. There's been a lot of interest in what this phone might look like, so let's go ahead and have a quick look. Because this is probably the most exciting phone that I've ever bought, the most excited phone I'm ever about it. So pretty much the same here, not much going on, just the plain brown box that is there, but we shall open it up and see what is going on in here. So, are you ready to find the reveal of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 on MobileTrans? Here it is. That is it. That is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. This really nice little Samsung box, actually. Let's see if we can get it out of there, shall we? Move that over to the side. And there it is. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G as well. You can see that on there. This is a really exciting phone. I'm really excited to see what this is all about. So let's just go and have a look what is inside it, shall we? So I've gone for this one in Mystic Bronze. The last one I went for, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I went in Mystic Black. But I want to see what this one would look like. So that just looks good, doesn't it? Like the box itself is just nice. So on top, you get this little bit of paper here, which just tells you a little bit about the Z Fold 2, just introducing you to what it is all about. On top, you have this little book, which I imagine has some SIM card tray and stuff in it. The SIM card tool, maybe. This is it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And you know what? First impression is that this is so much heavier than you'd expect it to be. Oh, just look at it. So it's got the care instructions on the front of it, because on the last Z Fold, people took it off, didn't they? Took off this protective film, and that is not what you should have done, and loads of screens got damaged. But should we peel together? Let's peel together. Look at that. And that is nice, that matte finish on the back of it as well. That is what you're looking for. That's what you want with this phone. And in this Mystic Bronze colour, oh, it just looks incredible, doesn't it? So good. You can see there's fingerprints on it already. And you can't see that crease, can you, too much? You can see it if you look at it like that in the light. But normally, you can't really see it, and that is surprising, actually. So you've got that smaller screen that is on the front there, which I think has got a screen protector on it. So we can take this one off here. And that just looks even better. So let's turn it on wherever the power button is on this. I've not looked at many videos about this or anything. I wanted to just be surprised by what it is, but look at that. You can see the camera there as well. Not as good as the cameras, I don't think, on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but I think when you get a phone like this, you just need to appreciate what it is. And it's just that opening, and that is why it's just so good. And that's a really nice screen. Like, it's perfect size. I thought it might be a bit too big, but it's just not. It's got a split keyboard there though, which I didn't think it would do. I thought it'd be like a full keyboard for this, just entering a Wi-Fi password, but I don't know if you can see or not. But there's definitely like a protective film. You can see it around the camera here. You also get in here the power brick. You then get your USB-C cable. And still you get these AKG headphones in there as well, which is nice to see. So the one thing that strikes me straight away about this phone is that it's heavy. Like, I didn't expect it to be as heavy as it was. It's quite a weighty phone, which I suppose is a good thing, because you don't want it to be too light and think that, okay, you might drop it or whatever. So that is it. That is what the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is all about at the moment. One of my favorite phones, I think, that I have ever used already. That is it. That is the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 on MobileTrans. If you want to see some more unboxings, then feel free to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of those other unboxings that are coming as well. And we will see you on the next video.